Well, unfortunately... Oh, what a terrible catch I made. I thank you very much. That's a good one. I like it. That has quelled the anger in my heart. Just for a couple seconds.
Relatable!
Now I'm mad again. All right, unfortunately though, this is our last song for the night.
For the heart!
So let me get this straight.
Addicted!
You do not want this to be the final song. You want more than this last song. Let me look here. You are free to make noise all night long, you know? All right. Well, after careful consideration of your cries and your pleas for more than this final song, I have decided, out of the kindness of my evil heart, I have decided just for you, it's still the last song of the night. Listen, it has to end sometime. From the moment you walk in the door, you know the show will eventually be over. It's just a fact of life. You can boo, you can pout, you can whine, and you can shout. Poet didn't know it, but it's not changing the fact. It has to be the final song. So, before we go, I'd like to send this out to all of you for coming out tonight. Keep supporting fucking metal! So I have one final question. Are you ready? You make this so hard sometimes. For the amount of people in this place, that reaction, to put it plainly, was pathetic. I am going to give you one last chance to make some fucking real noise. Do not disappoint me. Are you ready? Is why we're here, and that is more like it. Strip right as a
All I know is I love to kill.